This is a video. That's awkward. It's a video, not a picture. Hi. Okay, I know it's super embarrassing to be told what to do and then to have someone watch you do it, so I'm just gonna close my eyes. You did it? Hi, I am really excited to speak to y'all today. Why am I always really excited? Why is everyone always really excited? Maybe I'm just like moderately excited, not really excited. I don't know. Does anyone else feel that? Little pro tip, if you're gonna go swimming right after, not really right after, but like a week or two after you dye your hair pink, the chlorine is going to strip your hair. I just have like kind of sad pinky, pale pink hair now. Thanks, pool. Today I'm just getting ready with you guys and I'm going to talk about a couple things, a couple goals, a couple just thoughts, and I think the perfect place to start is to talk about how uninspired I am by the beauty community lately. So freaking uninspired. Like, I don't know, I need to start following smaller people, because the bigger people, it's just like PR packages, mountains of PR packages that they open every month, and now it's just like cool, you have so much stuff and they're giving you more free stuff. I feel like if you don't have the latest and greatest, you're irrelevant, which makes me mad because makeup is makeup, y'all. Like, it's makeup. You can have, I love having new stuff, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I love it. Having new stuff is wonderful. But, like, you can do the same thing with, not really the same thing, but you can do beautiful makeup looks with the, like, the OG. Like, you don't need 700 palettes. I feel like now, especially if you just follow the big people, I don't know, it's kind of getting to a place where it's getting elitist, and if you don't have the newest stuff, I don't know. But that's what people want to see. People want to review the newest things. People want to see what to buy now and what's on the market now, and I get it. It just feels like hard to keep up, you know? I don't know. I don't want to feel complainy. I just want to share a frustration that I feel some people might have with me, because it's hard to keep up in this crazy new world. But I feel like some people might be a little discouraged. Am I talking about this too much? It's just something that's been on my mind, like, a lot. I feel kind of down about my content that I'm putting out. I'm like, well, why should I even try? I don't even have, like, XYZ. I'm gonna keep making videos. I'm gonna keep doing what I like, and that is makeup. And I'm going to keep on keeping on. By the way, if you're wondering what the hell I'm doing, because no one curls their hair like this, I look like I'm in the 1800s. I like to get a really good base curl, and then I brush everything out. But I feel like if I brush it out too quickly, my hair, because I have pin straight hair, like this is natural hair, this is like out the shower hair. If I comb the curls out too quickly, it's just like flat hair by the end of the day. So I like to give it a little bit of time. up like Goldilocks or Shirley Temple. That's a Shirley Temple doll, by the way. My hair is so many different colors. Eee. That was like a really satisfying bounce. I think we're gonna do straighty bangs today. Let's just check. Yeah, they're cute. Is that my baby? Oh no, there's babies outside. Okay. I was like, no, she can't be awake yet. Zoink hair, zoink hair. Heck no, heck no. Get a grip, get a grip. Heck no, heck no. Shirley Locks is in the building. Shirley Locks is Goldilocks and Shirley Temple's love child. Okay, so the fun part about today is the window's open. I'm distracted. The fun part about today is that I am doing my eyes first, and then I'm gonna go for a run, and then I'm gonna come back and do my face, because I like to clean my face after I run. Which, I don't know why I sprayed a primer onto my face before I'm gonna go run, but right now, I'm gonna put some sunscreen on it. I ain't got no time for wrinkles. Smell that SPF. I've noticed that I'm just getting shinier and shinier as this is going. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys a really fun look that I like to do right now, and it's my go-to look right now, and I'm gonna show you how to do it with the Morphée 3.5. We're gonna prime the lids of our eyeballs. I do this with concealer. I'm gonna do like an actual tutorial and try to tell you everything that I'm using. By the way, what I used to do this is the Mary Kay Concealing Perfector in light ivory, and you can use any concealer in the world. So to set the primer, I'm using this big fluffy brush, and I'm putting some white powders on it. It's this one over here in the corner. We're gonna call it Butterscotch. I don't know what the names of the colors are. They're not on the back, and I threw away the little insert, so we're just gonna call it Pecan Pie. Oh wait, Butterscotch. This one's Butterscotch. Pecan Pies come a little later. We're just fluffing this on. I'm using, can you like not? Let's set that. There we go now. Wherever we go. Yeah, good. I use patting motions instead of windshield wiper motions for the first layer. I was showing you because I don't want to move any of the product around. I don't want it to go terms, scientific terms. We're gonna take the brush like this. It's kind of thick and domey. And I'm going to take a couple of transition colors. I like to create my own little boop-a-doo-doo. I do this one and this one. And we're going to put it in the crease, outer corner, whatever it's called. And I like to do some mixture between windshield wiper and circular near the edge. We're gonna grab another blendy brush like this. We're gonna go into this orange. This is called Peach Cobbler. Peach Cobbler. And we're gonna put that right in here, like right underneath that transition. Say this is like the second transition of the transitions. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab this brush. It's kind of domey. It's less dense than the first transition, And we're gonna go into this one. It kind of has a little hue of orange. So this one and this one. And we're gonna take that in right here and around the town. We're gonna go in with this shader brush. It's a Morphée M441. This is the only one with a name. I'm gonna go into this one. It's a darker brown, but it has the red tones in it still. So we're just gonna put that right here. Really deepen that ish up. My babysitter is literally gonna knock on the door any second. Then we're gonna take this brush. It comes in the Naked 2 palette. I love these brushes. We're gonna dip into this orange and this orangey red. And we're gonna put that all over the lid. I used to use packer brushes for like my lid, but I've noticed that with darker colors, it is so much nicer to just like use a fluffer brush and buff it in instead of patting it in my opinion. That's just my opinion! Have you seen that? Once that's all done, I go in once more with this brush and then I hit the really dark browns. She's here. Let me get that. And then the last step is take a finger and go into this one and pack it on the lid. I'm gonna go in one more time with the like transitions shade brush and kind of buff it out to desired buffness. Going in with mascaras, and I'm not putting fake lashes on before I run because I feel like that would be a disaster. Lash Paradise is so beautiful. Check my last video to see who won the giveaway. Okay, I'm gonna go run and then come back and do my face. See you in a minute. I've done a billion videos of me doing my face, so I just time-lapsed that, and I just got back from class. I think it's such a cute look, and I'm dying and living for these. My bangs are so long I might have to trim them, but have a great day. See you later.